Welcome to Mastering AI Video Creation, a step-by-step guide. In this tutorial, we'll explore how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your video production process, making it more efficient and accessible. Artificial intelligence has transformed various industries, and video production is no exception. AI tools can automate editing, generate content, and even create realistic avatars, streamlining the entire video creation process. AI accelerates the video creation process, reducing production time. It lowers costs by minimizing the need for extensive equipment and large teams. Enhances creativity by offering new tools and possibilities. Let's look at some leading AI video creation platforms. Synthesia allows users to create videos with AI avatars by simply inputting text, supporting multiple languages. Vyond offers a library of pre-animated assets and templates, enabling users to craft engaging animated videos. Runway provides generative AI tools for video editing and creation, including text-to-video capabilities. Colossian specializes in AI-generated corporate training videos with customizable avatars and multilingual support. Consider the following when choosing an AI video creation tool. Purpose: define the type of video you aim to create, be it educational, promotional, or entertainment. Features: identify essential features like text-to-video, avatar customization, or language options. Budget: evaluate the cost relative to your budget and the value the tool provides. Let's walk through creating a video using Synthesia. Sign up. Visit Synthesia's website and create an account. Choose an AI avatar. Select from a range of pre-designed avatars or create a custom one. Input your script. Enter the text you want the avatar to narrate. Select language and voice. Choose from various languages and voice tones to match your audience. Customize visual elements. Add backgrounds, images, and other visual components to enhance your video. Generate and review. Produce the video and review it for any necessary adjustments. Download and share. Once satisfied, download your video and share it on your desired platforms. Keep scripts concise and engaging to maintain viewer interest. Utilize high-quality visuals and coherent design elements. Ensure audio quality is clear and matches the video's tone. Regularly update content to keep it relevant and fresh. Be mindful of ethical aspects. Consent. Obtain permission when using real individuals' likenesses. Transparency. Disclose the use of AI in your video production. Accuracy. Avoid creating misleading or deceptive content. The future of AI in video production is promising, with advancements like enhanced personalization, tailoring content to individual viewer preferences, real-time video generation, creating videos instantaneously based on live data, improved interactivity, developing videos that allow viewer interaction and engagement. Embracing AI tools can significantly enhance your video production capabilities, making the process more efficient and creative. Stay informed about emerging technologies to continually improve your content creation strategies. For further learning, explore these resources. Tutorials. Access online tutorials and guides on AI video creation. Communities. Join forums and groups to connect with other creators and share insights. Blogs and articles. Read up on the latest trends and best practices in AI video production. Feel free to ask any questions or share your experiences with AI video creation. Let's discuss and learn together. Thank you for joining this tutorial. Embrace the power of AI to transform your video creation journey. Happy creating! For more information or support, contact us in the comments section. This presentation was created using information from various AI video creation platforms and industry insights.